Mastering the meaning of soothe. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the word soothe. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of its meaning and how to use it in sentences. Let's jump right in. Soothe is a verb, and it has a few related meanings, all centered around bringing relief or calmness. Here are its main definitions. 1. To calm or relieve, e.g., pain or discomfort. 2. To bring comfort, solace, or reassurance. Imagine you're feeling upset, and someone plays your favorite song to make you feel better. In this scenario, the song soothes you. Or perhaps you have a sunburn, and you apply aloe vera to lessen the pain. The aloe vera works to soothe your skin. Understanding a word becomes even clearer when we see it in action. Here are some examples using soothe. 1. The lullaby soothed the baby to sleep. 2. After a long day, a warm bath can soothe sore muscles. 3. Her kind words soothed my anxious mind. From these examples, we see that soothe can refer to both physical and emotional relief. It's always good to know synonyms, other words that have a similar meaning. Here are a few synonyms for soothe. 1. Calm. 2. Comfort. 3. Relieve. 4. Assuage. 5. Pacify. Remember, while these words are similar in meaning, they might be used in slightly different contexts. So always consider the specific situation before choosing which word to use. And there we have it. We've explored the meaning of soothe, seen it in sentences, and even looked at some synonyms. Hopefully, this helps you use the word confidently in your conversations. Keep practicing, and remember, every word you learn gets you one step closer to mastering the English language. Until next time, happy learning!